Aloha and welcome, video viewers. This is Equestria Remains. I don't hear talking, so it's probably an animal. Nope, it was not. Doesn't matter. Immunity potion, got a potion of life, and another memory orb. So, memory orb, potion of life. What am I going to spend this skill point? Science. Oh, it was probably a baneful phoenix that I had killed a while ago. You could go piss off, Mr. Bat. And I can see where that's connected, but... Combat knife. Combat knife? I like the sound of that. Okay, crowbar is 14. Oh, I don't have enough skill for it. I have enough skill for the shovel? I'll go around with a giant freaking shovel. In the air. Okay, here we go. I'm okay with this haul so far. Looks like I need to go down if I want to further explore this area without fighting the boss. Okay. Oh! There we go. But come on, can I? There. Let's get back to what was I using? Not a piece of reed. A shovel. There we go. Oh! Oh God! What the hell just happened? Stops bleeding. That's fine, but that. Okay. Okay, stop burning. There you go. Hell. You know what? And save. Rolls. Reload, that's fine. Oh, throw explosives is G. How about we make that J? And you know what? You can be G. I'm okay with that. What's F? F is kick, right? Yeah, that's right. E? Like, what is? Oh, right, yeah. You. You know what? I want Q to be my attack spell. No. That was the wrong one. P. What is P? Use item. Yeah. I don't want to accidentally start using items. Save. There. There we go. I should start selling these explosives. Well, like, they'll turn me a profit, I'm sure. Alright. Now that I've successfully freaked the crap out of them. Question. Oh, that is not good. Oh, this is gonna be a hose fest. You two need to get away. Oh yeah. Shovel. I can make the diver's potion. I don't want to though. Oh, hey. And nothing there. Oh, yay! Another radioactive cookie. I should have 2 now. Right? Yep, I have 2. I just need 5. Check down here first. I'm gonna be sneaky at this one very particular part. Alright. Oh wow. Okay. Ooh, I used 100% of it and it took a smidgen. Oh, Jesus. I didn't even need to do that. God. Alright. I'm glad I checked down there first, though. Ooh. Scarlet Sunrise. Stardust. Alright, first off, Scarlet Sunrise. Where are you? Where are you? Energy required level 2. I gotta see it. Oh. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. But don't care. Shovel. I put the shovel. There it is. Okay. I got something else, didn't I? Got paint. Okay, cool. Whatever. I completely forgot. I'll look later. I don't care. I really just don't care. Need to save up for the other spell that. God, pick up a lot of war bits. Right. Unity potion. Improves your. Ooh, I want to make these. All right, whatever. And that's why I stay as far away of them as I can. Shooting buttons. Activate all the red buttons by shooting them. Teleportation is disabled. Hints. The hints contained direct instructions on how to pass the test. Use them if you don't know what to do. Okay. Oh, this is slightly annoying. Got it. There we go. Oh, okay. I understand this one. It's the waiting game. Got it. Cannot unlock. This is a grenade one. Ah, oh, fantastic. Oh, I've got a couple of them. No. This. That was a bad idea. Okay, that worked way better than I was expecting it to. A box of new screws. Huh. Someone needs that. I know I need that. Oh, electronic lockpick. Wait, can I use that on the one I've already, like, locked out? Potion of life. The coolest of beans. Let's go. Explored this area, so I need to go there. I'll let you guys figure out that. Oh, he teleports away, so I have to. Next time I find him, I can give him. Okay. Cool. Really? That's all it frickin' did. Electronic lock on that. Well, let's check out. Oh, hi. Like, you were just about to be killed, dude. Like, terribly badly. Ooh. That takes a lot to repair, and I don't use it right now. Well, need one of that. Well, I will catch you all in the next episode where we continue to explore the factory. This is a massive place. Wow. I'm loving this game so far, actually. So I will catch you all in the next one. Until then, have fun, be safe, and aloha.